Hi everyone, and check out the TANAVE teeth cleaning kit, designed for a healthy smile at home. This device uses high-frequency vibrations to quickly remove stubborn plaque and tartar from your teeth. It features smart technology that stops automatically when the tool touches your sensitive gum tissue. You can choose between 3 different modes and 2 stainless steel heads for a customized cleaning. The built-in LED light and oral mirror help you see every spot for a thorough result. Its waterproof design and compact size make it perfect for travel or easy bathroom storage. Enjoy a brighter smile with this portable device that charges quickly using a standard USB cable. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.